Hello, Balance My Hormones family. As we gather around the hearth this holiday season, we want to take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've shared throughout 2024. It's been a year of growth, learning, and community, and we couldn't have done it without you. This year, we've expanded our content to bring you more in-depth discussions on hormone health, including topics around HCG, TRT, ferritin, menopause, and your engagement and thoughtful questions have driven us to delve deeper into subjects, providing you with information that you need to make informed decisions about your health. We've also had the pleasure of hosting experts in the field, sharing their insights on the latest advancements in hormone therapy and wellness. These collaborations have enriched our community and provided diverse perspectives on achieving hormonal balance. Behind the scenes, our dedicated team has been hard at work ensuring that we bring you accurate, up-to-date, and engaging content. Your feedback has been invaluable, guiding us in creating videos that resonate with your needs and interests. As we look forward to 2025, we're excited to continue this journey with you. We have a lineup of new topics, guest experts, and interactive content planned, all aimed at supporting your health and wellness goals. From all of us at Balance My Hormones, we wish you a joyous and happy holiday season and a prosperous new year. Remember to take the time for self-care, cherish your loved ones, and stay tuned for more empowering content in the coming year. Happy holidays from Balance My Hormones, and thank you for being part of our community. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming content. See you in 2025.